So now we can start. The first one, each group of 3 digits. If you know the answer, raise your hand. Each group of 3 digits on the place value chart is called what? It's called decimal or expanded form or period or standard form. Walid Kandil.
Period.
It's called period. Just 1 minute. Right here. Each group formed from 3 digits is called period. Okay, I'll change the color. Thanks, Walid. So Isam Salama. Number 2 is the usual or common way to write the number in digits. If we want to write the number in digits, what is that called? It's called, now we finished the period. Is it called decimal or expanded form or standard form?
Standard.
Standard form.
Standard form.
Standard. Yes. Okay. So question number 3, we have Malik Krimni. Malik. A or an is a number that has a digit 10th place or 100th place or and beyond. That's 10th or 100th or anything beyond that. Is it decimal or expanded form? Is it decimal or expanded form? Is it decimal or expanded form? If we have 10th place or 100th place. So we have Jid. Jid, can you solve this one? If we have a 10th or 100th. Decimal, okay. Okay. Thanks. Abdurrahman, the way that we're writing in the number as the sum of the values of the digits. The way that we write the number as an expanded form. Okay. Thanks, Abdurrahman. So the next question, we need to name the place of the highlight digit. Then we need to write the value of the digit. We need to name the place. What is the name of this place? It means we need to find the place value. After finding the place value, we need to find its value. So for question number 5, if you can solve, only we have Abdurrahman and Walid, no other one, just raise your hand. Just raise your hand if you can solve. Malik, Remli, and Jid, we need more. Who can solve this question? Yusuf, what is the place value of the highlighted digit? This one, what is the place value of this highlighted digit? The place value, not the
10
value. Million. So its value now will be, what is the value? The number now, 2 in million. So
20 million.
20 million.
20 million.
In million. So it will be 20 million. In million. It will be 20 million.
2 million.
2 million, yes. If that's in 10 million, it will be 20 million. Okay? Now for 5. Who can solve this one? Cindy. Ahmed, Cindy.
Yes.
Okay, 5 here. In which place? I'm talking now about the place, not the value. The place value.
It's 50,000. No, yeah.
The place. You remember when I talked about the place value? The place value, the difference between them, and the value. If you remember this one, the place value, I need the answer to be in word, which is ones, tens, 100,000, 10,000, 100,000, and so on. Value, I need the answer to be in digits. So I need 220, 200, 2,000, 20,000, 200,000 by this way. So 5 here in which place? 5 here in which place? 5. What is the place value of 5, Cindy? —
1
what is the place value? Cindy is not responding. Turkey. I will open now for Turkey. Turkey, what is the place value? Turkey. There is no Turkey. Muhammad Tamer.
Yes, mister.
Yes, what is the place value of 5? What is the place value of 5?
50,000.
Place value, not the value. There is a difference. Again, for this one, place value, it means I need the answer to be in word, like ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000, and so on.
Yeah.
If I need the value, it means I need the answer to be in digits. What is the meaning in digit? It means 2, 20, 200, 2,000, 20,000, 200,000, and so on.
Yeah. It's yes. Not
You remember the place value chart? The place value chart.
Yeah,
we divide into periods, then we name the name of each digit inside the period.
Yeah. Tens.
Yes, it's in 10. In 10 what? In which period?
10,000.
Yes, perfect. 10,000.
Yes.
So its value now will be, what is the value?
50,000.
50,000. Okay. Thanks, Muhammad. So we need to write, who can solve this one? Malik, can you solve this one with me? Number 7, we need to write the number in expanded form. Write the number in expanded form, Malik. Malik, can you hear me? Malik is not responding. Hamza Naeem.
Yes.
Okay, we need to write this number in expanded form. So how we can solve this one? Question number 7. Question number 7.
Okay. 13 million.
Yes.
180,000.
Yes. That's the expanded form?
Yes.
Okay. Do you have any other answer? Anyone has another answer? Walid, do you have any other answer for this one? I need the expanded form. The expanded form. Walid does not respond. Abdurrahman Shukri. We need to write this number in expanded form.
We write it in expanded form?
Yes. So how we can write it?
1 million. No.
1 here, in which, what is the value of 1? In which place
10.
to give the value? In 10. 10 what? 10 million. So it will be
10
million. Plus.
3 million.
Yes, 3 million. Okay. Plus
100,000.
Yes, 100,000. Plus
80,000.
80,000. Yes. That's called expanded form. This one is called expanded form. So, Jed, can you solve the next one? Okay. We need to write in a word form.
4 million.
Yes.
730,000.
730,000. 30,000.
Yeah.
Okay. Thanks. That is the way to write in word form. If you have any question in this page, please raise your hand. If you have any question in this page, please raise your hand. So, Ahmed Cindy, what is the question?
Yes, I do have a question. Just question 6, I couldn't answer you because I was on mute.
Okay, no problem. If you have any question in this page or you didn't finish writing, please raise your hand. If you finish, if you need time to solve, please raise your hand. Raise your hand if you need time. Raise your hand if you need time. Have you finished? Okay. So the next page now, we are on page 36. Page 36. Page 36. Who can solve this question with me? We need to compare, put greater than or smaller than or equal. If you know the answer, please raise your hand. Malik Kremli, Malik. Question number 9. Question number 9.
Question number 9.
Yes.
90. It's 90.
90 what? Is smaller than, bigger than, smaller than, or bigger than, or equal? Less than, or greater than, or equal? Which sign that I have to choose? Sign number 1, sign number 1, sign number 2, sign number 3. Number 1. Okay, thanks, Malik. So, Abdul Ghani, change your name, please. Abdul Ghani, change your name. Yusuf Muhammad, question number 10. Yusuf Muhammad, question number 10. Abdul Ghani, change your name.
Yes, Mr. Yes, Mr. We will put 2.
Sign number 2, which is, read the number 542 is
542, 524.
Okay, so it's bigger than. Okay, so Yusuf, can you solve question number 11?
Yes, Mr. I can solve. Number 11,000 and 1,024 is the bigger.
Okay, thanks. We have Eslam Salama. Can you solve number 12? Number 12. Okay.
Number 1.
We will shoot sign number 1, which is 6,123. It is smaller than or less than 6,231. Okay.
1.
Now we need to represent, to shade the part here. We need to shade it. Then we need to write in as a decimal and as a word. So for the first one, who can solve with me the first one? Abdul Ghani. Abdul Ghani. Abdul Ghani.
Yes.
Can you solve this question now? I need to shade which one? Number 13. How we can solve it? We need to shade the parts. So how many parts that I will shade? Then we need to write as a word, then as a decimal. 1 what? I will shade how many parts here. What is the meaning of 1 over 10? What is the meaning of 1 over 10? Sorry? I can't hear you. What's the answer for number 13? Jed, can you solve this question? Then Muhammad Tamer will be the next one. How many parts that will be shaded?
1.
1 part, only 1 part. Okay. 1 over 10, it means we will shade only 1 part out of the 10 parts. So how we can convert this number to be a decimal and how we can write it in word form?
Word form is 1/10.
1/10, yes, 1/10. And as a decimal?
0.1.
Okay, thanks. So we need the next one is Muhammad Amir. The next one. Question number 14. Question number 14. Muhammad Amir does not respond. Muhammad Tamer.
Yes, Mister.
Question number 14.
Thank you for choosing me.
Habibi.
Yes. You shared 85 boxes.
So how is 85? So how is 85? 85, it's mean I will choose 8 columns. 1, 2, 3,
4, 5, 6,
Okay. 7,
7, and 8.
8. Then I will
And do
choose
the
5.
another 5.
1,
Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So
Yes.
how we can write this number as a word form?
85, 100,
85,
100.
100. Okay. And how we can write
Yes.
as a for decimal?
0.85.
0.85. Okay, thanks. So we need to solve the next one. Habibi, welcome. Abdurrahman, we need to solve the next one. We need to shade this part. How many parts that would be shaded for this one?
39.
39. It's mean 1, 2, 3. Then we'll shade all of the fourth one except one small square. That's the meaning of 39. Okay. How we can read this number, or how we can write it as a word form?
39.
39.
39,000.
Okay. And how we can write it as a decimal?
0.39.
0.39.
0 and 0.
0 here?
0 before, no, 0 before the 0.
Yes, 0.39 by this way. Why I put this one? Because we have 1000. It's mean we need 3 digits to be at the numerator. 3 digits to be at the numerator. We have 1, 2, so the third number will be 0. So it will be 0.39. Okay. So who can solve the next one? Yusuf. We have two Yusuf. Yusuf MacBook and the other Yusuf without name. So just please write your name. Not Yusuf, what? Your full name. So in this problem, we have the attendance on Friday in the basketball game was a number, this number. So I need you to read this number. Then, on Sunday, we have the attendance as another number. Which game has a greater attendance? So read the question that I need you to solve now. Read number 1. Read number 2. Then, which game has a greater attendance? The Friday one or the Sunday?
No, Sunday.
Read the number at the first. Read the number.
45,673.
Okay.
45,771.
So the one which has greater? Okay. So it will be?
Sunday.
Sunday. Okay, thanks. So question number 17. Number 17, Yusuf. Just write your full name because we have two Yusuf, so write your full name, please. Rename yourself. Yusuf, can you solve question number 17? The shortest fish ever records with the length. This one, 35 over 100 inch long. Write that in decimal. We need to write this number in decimal. How we can write 35 over 100 as a decimal? Okay. Jet, can you solve question number 17?
Okay, Mr. The shortest fish ever recorded is the dwarf goby, found in the Indo-Pacific. The female of the species is about 35
over 100 inch long. Use the decimal to write the female's length. This fish with length 35 over 100. We need to write inches. We need to write this length as a decimal, not as a fraction. So how we can write it?
0.35?
Yes, the answer is right. 0.35. If you need to write it as a word form, how we can write it? The question say I need in decimal. So we solve the decimal part. But how we can read it, how we can write this one as a word form? Can you write this one at a word form? How you can read this one? It's not respond. Muhammad Tamer, can you just give me the name of this one in word form? How you can read it in word form? How you can write it in word form?
Yes, I know how to write in word form.
So how we can write it?
35 hundreds.
Yes, thanks. So who can solve the last question? We need question number 18. Number 18. Who can solve it? Abdul Rahman. Abdul Rahman.
Yes, Mr.
Yes, question number 18.
Question number 18.
Yes, which decimal represents the shaded part in the figure? We have a figure here, so we need to check which part, which decimal. Answer A or B or C or D. Sorry? There is no 62. The choices, there is no 62. The answer is A or B or C or D.
0.52.
0.52. The answer is C. Because if you look at this part, you will find that we shade only, that is the first,
Because
that's
here is
10,
52.
yes, 10, 20,
30,
30, 40, 50,
50,
and 51,
and here's
52. So it will be 0.52.
52.
And this place, this shape, we know that this shape is called 100. So it will be 52 over 100. Yes.
Today we will take page 37.
No.
This page, I mean.
No, we will not take this one. Okay. Any problem now for this one? Any problem for this page? Have you finished writing this page? If you need a time to finish this page, please raise your hand. Please raise your hand. If you need time or you didn't understand anything. If you didn't understand or you need time, please raise your hands. Muhammad Amir finished. خلاص, you finish? So open your book now, page 34. That's what the homework. We need to check if you saw any solutions right or not. Page 34. Page 34. I will only check this part, then we can finish, then you can go. Yusuf Muhammad.
Mister, there is 3 Yusuf in this class, and we have only 2.
So no problem. Just solve with me. Question number 5. How we can solve it? Leave the other Yusuf. Question number 5. We need to write this fraction as a decimal. Leave the book now. Just look at the computer or your mobile and give me the answer. How we can convert this one?
0.15.
Yes, 0.15, not 50. That's 50, and that's 15. Okay, thanks. So, Abdul Ghani, can you solve question number 8, Abdul Ghani? Question number 8.
Yes.
Question number 8, Abdul Ghani.
8.0.
8.0 by this way?
No, the other way.
The other way, so it will be 0.8. Okay?
Yeah.
Number 6. We need Muhammad Amir to solve it. Muhammad Amir. Muhammad Amir is not responsive. Okay. We need Jed. Can you solve question number 6? Jed, can you solve?
0.0129.
0.0129 by this way?
Yeah.
Why? How many zeros down that we have?
3.
So we have 1, 2, 3. So we put a point after the third number. You get the idea for this one? You have 3 zeros. It means you need 3 digits. If you have 3 digits, so no need to add a new 0. So it will be 129. When we add 0, if we have 13 over 1000. Now how many digits that we have? We have 3 zeros, but we have only 2 digits. So we complete it as 0.13. You understand it? 0.013.
Yes.
Okay. So Walid, can you solve question number 9? Walid, can you solve question number 9? Question number 9.
Okay.
What is the answer?
We will do.
9.
We will do.
Hmm.
I know. We will do 0 and this is the
Decimal point.
and then write 815.
Okay. Thanks, Walid. So we need Muhammad Tamer to solve question number 7. Muhammad
Yes,
Tamer.
Mister.
Habibi. Question number 7.
0.17.
0.17. Okay. We have here also the last one. Who can solve the last one? The last one. The last one, Abdul Ghani. Abdul Ghani, can you solve the last one? The last question.
Yes. 0.2.
Yes. Now we know how we can convert between the fraction and decimal to the fraction. Any problem? If you have any problem, please raise your hands. If you have any problem now, you can raise your hands. If you have any problem, Hamza Naim, what? Muhammad Amir, what's the problem? No problem. If you have any problem, please raise your hand. If you have any problem, raise your hand. Okay. There is no problem. So we finish the lesson for today. And see you inshallah tomorrow.